Louisville, Texas, and they are testing the tornado sirens. Just want you guys to hear what they sound like. About 30 minutes from downtown Dallas, and we live in Tornado Alley, so every month they test the sirens to make sure they work. Ours are a little different than some tornado sirens, though. Kind of a pulse. Wednesday, February 6th, and they're testing the sirens here in Louisville, Texas. They just shut off. I don't know if they're going to go back on again. And that's it. They're done. I thought it was over, but it's not. This is a traditional tornado siren. Our sirens are actually designed to have two different sounds. This is the traditional sound that everybody knows. Kind of the wail sound, wailing. Not so much a pulse. You can't hear it quite as good as the other one. I don't think I've heard them test this one in a while. I think they're testing all of them today because of all the tornadoes that hit just to the east of us. We were lucky we missed it. We didn't get all the bad weather that Tennessee and Arkansas got. We just got the rain. They also take over the television too.